What's a year to you? Is it just a number? Another birthday? Another summer? A new job? A new friend? A new experience? Something crossed off your bucket list. I've never really thought it mattered. Time goes by and you make memories, but have you ever reflected? Look back to where you were 365 days ago. Who you've loved, where you've gone, who you've met, and who you've lost. "2018 was my first full year keeping a camera close by and trying to capture the moments going on around me. I've never had the opportunity to look back, take it all in, and it makes me think, what's next?" I want 2019 to be the best year yet. And looking back at this footage, it looks like I have my work cut out for me. The big question is, now what will you do different?